day all, welcome to Chef Niger Kitchen, where we bring you mouth-watering and sumptuous delicacies for you all viewing delights. It's a wonderful day and I'm so happy to be here on set to you. I'm so happy to be on set. Today we have Etim Grace.
Yes.
Delectable Etim Grace. I don't know why, your food is always so inviting.
Wow.
And she's going to be cooking another wonderful delicacy for us today. So Etim Grace, kindly tell our viewers what you're preparing for us today.
Oh God. Thank you, Wunmi. I'm glad to be here today.
Most welcome.
Yeah. Today we are preparing bitter leaf soup in Ibibio kind of way.
Bitter leaf soup, Ibibio style. Because today. I remember someone has actually, we had someone on set some time ago, and she came to prepare bitter leaf soup, but it was native bitter leaf soup. That's what she called it. And then of course, from what I see here, what you are using as a condiment is totally different from what she used. I mean, I can observe some of it and wasn't here that the day she came around. Okay. So do you mind telling us what exactly you're using as your ingredients?
Of course, you can see we have, let's start with this blended crayfish with scent pepper.
Scent pepper?
Yes.
Okay.
Or you can call it yellow pepper.
Yellow pepper, but
so
scent yellow pepper. Okay.
So this is the bitter leaf already washed, very fresh. And then I have my stockfish. Then salt to taste. I have my beef.
Okay.
I have my chopped onions, my periwinkle.
Okay.
Then I still have this pepper, black pepper to add to it. Then I have this also, the cow stew, also known as pomo.
Okay.
Yes.
And then this is what?
Then
fish,
this is fish. Just dry fish. You can make use of it, as in any kind of fish of your choice. Then this is my palm, this is my seasoning cube. Okay. Then I'm still going to make use of my water leaf.
Okay. Alright, so before we actually start, before we get anything started at all, it's always good to practice good hygiene. And we're going to start off by washing
your hands.
Very, very important.
So this is my beef.
The beef, okay.
Yeah, I'm going to just put it. Then I have my water.
Okay.
Just little for now, because I want to have it boiled with this first.
Okay.
Need to have the chopped meat.
All of it?
Yes, meat. Salt to taste. And then my cube. Just one is enough for now. Then we boil. Just cover it for some time. Okay. So our beef is ready.
Wow.
So we're gonna add the stockfish.
Okay.
Then I'm having this periwinkle too. So having my cow skin. And I like to add the black pepper to it. Just little, don't make it too much. You know, we already have pepper blended with this, and then you add little salt. So we just allow it to boil for a minute or two.
Okay, no need to stir it. Just
leave it like that. Okay. Sweet.
Wow.
I'm getting there. So you add your seasoning cube.
Okay.
Add
the palm oil.
So the quantity you want, but you need bitter leaf, so you give it enough
oil, palm oil.
Palm oil. I also add my bitter leaf. This is what I want to add first before the water.
Okay.
So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave it for some time.
Okay.
Then before I'll add my water leaf and then fish. So just for like a minute. I'm going to add all this now. And then we'll boil it and our soup is ready.
Wow, very fast.
Very, very fast. So it's ready.
Yeah, I can see, of course. So now the water leaf goes in.
Yes. I have my fish.
Okay.
So the fish goes in and then the blended
yellow pepper
and crayfish. I'm going to just cover it for like a minute and then turn. And then my soup is getting ready. So let's see what we have here. Now to bring up the bitter leaf.
Okay.
So I can have them. So let me just.
Okay.
You know, in bitter leaf, when you have little salt, when you're eating it, you might have the salt excess.
Okay.
So it's okay like this, I think.
Okay.
An individual can add little. So the soup is ready.
Wow.
The soup is ready. Let me put it off.
Soup is ready!
Yeah! Okay guys, so our bitter leaf soup, our bitter leaf vegetable soup is ready, Ibibio style. And okay, alongside this, to actually complement it, is fufu. Yes. Right?
Yes.
That is fufu is gotten from cassava.
Yes.
That has been blended and turned and all that, and then it gives you this perfect, wonderful swallow.
Good.
So very eager to have a taste. Please join me. Okay. Wow. There's so many condiments in this soup. In fact, you don't even know where to start from.
Start from.
Oh my. Let me dig again before I actually.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Okay guys, I'm sure you've learned a lot, because I have as well, how to prepare bitter leaf vegetable soup Ibibio style.
Yes.
Really delicious indeed. So for those of you actually watching this video, you can actually subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Chef Etim TV. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Chef Etim. And of course, our website, our food directory is www.chefetim.tv. So I come your way next time. Bye.